Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love with a special Saturday episode for you about today, why we need to watch out for this yellow line here to actually know what's going on all over the place. Now, this episode is brought to you because I've been saying some stuff about how Bitcoin is going to drop. And taking a look at things overall on the long-term scale, it seems like it may drop just because previously when we were in a triangle, like right here, and we'll just throw this on auto, right here when we were in a descending triangle previously, price dropped down. Again, here, descending triangle, price dropped down. Now, I've been making some videos about how descending triangles generally break to the downside. However, everybody else is very, very optimistic about Bitcoin. And, you know, sometimes when you go against the crowd, you might be right. Sometimes you may be wrong. So I wanted to present something that's going to say, hey, keep an eye on this. Because, you know, based on what's been going on, based on how everybody thinks the price is going to take off, based on how we're in a descending triangle, I think the price is going to break down. However, it may not, for this reason right here, which I'm going to get into. This reason is the yellow line right over here. You see that yellow line? You see previously in bull markets, that yellow line is support. You see? It's support here, 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 here. And then in bear markets, it's resistance. It's resistance here, 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 here. Do I need to say here any more times? I don't know. But again, we are potentially in a bull market. I mean, I've said we're in a bull market for quite a while. Now, this is the first time we're actually going to be testing that line. And what is that line? That line is the 21 weekly moving average. Now that, if it's coming up right here, it's coming up actually to the bottom line of this descending triangle we're in. You can see we've been in this triangle for a couple months right now. And the date I've been talking about, September 23rd, coming up very soon, is coming up in a couple days. Actually, it's right here. Coming up right there. And then that's when backed futures launched. And the last time futures launched, price dropped from 20,000 down to 6,000. However, this time we'll kind of have to see what happens with them because they're asset-backed futures. Maybe that'll make a difference. Now, what I should also say is MACD just crossed to the downside. Okay. Now, some of you have been commenting about MACD saying it's not a great trading strategy, and I'm guessing you've probably only been trying it for a couple months because when the market moves sideways, MACD isn't great. It really only catches the big trends, like the big trends up, the big trends down, the big trends down, the big trends up. Okay. But it's something that I do because those are the big trends I want to catch. The rest of the little things, whatever. I don't care to trade them. Now, why do I think the price is going to break down? Well, for the things that I mentioned before, backed coming, the descending triangle that we're in, the MACD down, also the weekly MACD, if we take a look at that, that is also saying that Bitcoin price is dropping. However, if we just bar our minds from holding all of those things, what else? How about Tom Lee talking about how Bakkt is going to improve trust in crypto? I mean, this guy has never, ever, 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 ever been right with a prediction, but somehow he's interviewed in every single report. And so if he says it's going to improve trust, he didn't say that it was going to cause the price to go up. If he said that, I would be like, definitely price is going down. He just says it's going to improve trust with institutions in crypto. So maybe it'll decrease trust with institutions in crypto. I don't exactly know what's going to happen with that. But I was looking through TradingView because I've been messing around with tap trading, and you should check out the episode yesterday because I've devised a strategy that is working pretty darn good when the markets are going up or down. It doesn't work for sideways, but when the markets are going up or down, using tap trading on the second intervals along with Market Cipher has been pretty badass. But I'm going to really get good at it, and then I'm going to make a video for you, and then I'll be able to show you all about how that works. If you want to do tap trading, check out the link down in the description. But this article right here, Buy the Dip, an opportunity you can't miss. This guy here, Crypto Bullet on TradingView, compares 2017 when we were a descending triangle right there with 2019, and this was right when the 21 weekly moving average was coming up to right where it was. So he says if it dips below, you better buy that because it's not going to stay below for long. I would say keep an eye on that because if it does break below that and stay below that, that's really bad sign. Okay, that's a really bad sign. However, if that tends to be support, then that'll confirm we're in a bear market and price will eventually be moving up. I mean, furthermore, we're within a year of a halving, which generally tends to have the price go up. Now, do I think this is going to shoot up the price immediately? If the price does go up, do I think it's going to shoot up immediately? Absolutely not. Why? One, because everyone's expecting it, and the market often does the opposite of what everyone thinks. But two, because of this. Okay, back in this video, Bitcoin's next bull run will likely happen here. I published that back July 24th. I compiled over the past, since the beginning of Bitcoin recorded history, 10 years ago, I compiled the months in which there were price spikes. Okay, and if you take a look at this chart right here, there are price spikes in January, June, July, and November, December. It's not in September, and it's not in October. So I would be very hard-pressed to think that the price will spike up in September or October. However, November, December, Thanksgiving, Christmas time, price could be going up then. So I just want to make that video for you guys. Keep an eye out for this one. I still think price is going down. I could be wrong here. I mean, everybody else thinks the price is going up. Maybe I'll be right, or maybe I'm just like a Tom Lee. But anyways, don't ever call me Tom Lee. And I just want to make that video for you because this is a very important line to keep an eye on. So thanks very much for watching. Check out the Monarch wallet. It holds Bitcoin, 3,000 other cryptocurrencies. Also earn up to 10% interest on your cryptos. Also, it's my choice for cold storage. Just use an old phone and detach to wireless and Bluetooth, and it works just as well. Actually, much easier than any other cold storage device. Plus, who's going to expect to look on an old phone for crypto? If they find a Ledger Nano S, they're going to be like, what's this thing? They're going to type that in, and then they're going to try and break that shit and steal your money. However, if they find an old phone just in a, I don't know, a shoebox or closet or a drawer, they're going to be like, an old phone, that's nothing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. All right, peace.